So the way I would begin introducing Hedgy's Guide to Calm to my students would be to just start singing the song. You don't even have to read the book yet to them. I would maybe have the Hedgy Calm action cards up in my classroom so they're familiar with who Hedgy is, and they will also be able to see the actions. But you don't even have to explain that in the beginning. I would just start singing and doing the actions. Now, if you purchase the MP3, which again is on supercalmhedgy.com, it's very affordable, then you can have the soundtrack to sing along with, but then after a while, you can just sing on your own or have the students just start singing it. Again, I made it a very simple, catchy jingle. So for everyone can be successful singing it. And so you can use the accompaniment in the beginning, but then after a while, just go for it and sing. Again, teachers, I have worked with many teachers who have told me that they are not comfortable singing. Be comfortable singing. You can sing. We all can sing. Maybe some are better than others, but you can sing. So please sing with your students. Students really love it and they won't judge you. That's the best thing about students is they just love you, and if they trust you, they will just go with it. So just be comfortable. That's why the Hedgy Calm 21-day challenge, Hedgy's Guide to Calm 21-day challenge, will prepare you to be comfortable also singing Hedgy's Calm action song with your students. So sing with me right now. Stop, look, listen, wiggle and breathe and visualize. Okay, so with the Hedgy's Calm action song, of course, you can even have your students come up with their own actions. That would be wonderful. If they want to change it up, create a dance. Just come up with something unique. Have them draw or write or get into small groups or have sharing time where they can show their own actions. Come up with anything unique. This is not written in stone. I'm just trying to, again, make this very easy for you so you can implement this successfully into your classroom's daily rhythm and routine. So basically stop. I just use stop because stop is easy. Look, again, look, listen, again, behind our ear. Now wiggle when I'm pointing down. I'm actually pointing to my toes and wiggling my toes. So your students can have their feet on the floor, or if they can't have their feet on the floor, that's okay too. They can just start wiggling their toes. So if you're sitting in your circle and you're sitting, crisscross, they can just wiggle their toes, or they can put their feet on the floor and do it. So that's what I'm doing. I'm pointing to my toes. So wiggling the toes. Now breathing again, because we breathe in through our nose, and that's where just below our ribs goes out when we breathe in, and when we breathe out through our mouth, just below our ribs goes in. So that's why I go and breathe, just to show that when you breathe in, just below your ribs goes out, and when you breathe out, just below your ribs goes in. Now visualize, well, you kind of have to have some jazz fingers because they're always good to have in anything. So I just like that for visualize. But again, maybe your students will come up with something that's just more them. So again, have fun being calm.